Alright, I wish I would have taken a before picture, but I tell you what, if you got one of these KLX motorcycles with the grain in the seat, it likes to hold on to some dirt and it's pretty hard to get it off. What I found that really works is this stuff right here. Tough Stuff. Now just spraying it on alone didn't do anything, but just give it a little bit. Find yourself a soft bristle brush and just work it in with the grain. Work it in both directions. Let the foam kind of pull it up, pull up the dirt. Find yourself a clean cloth or semi-clean and wipe it up. Again, go with the grain. I tell you what, that's like new. That is beautiful. All the spots in the ground and dirt are gone. Good stuff. Tough Stuff. Talk to you later.